Well, hello there. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What we do here, every afternoon around 2:30, I kick back, grab myself a can of beer, a bottle of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. I take the time to read everything on the label. I check out the artwork, see what they're trying to sell me, crack it open, and see if it meets expectations. A couple things first, though. All beer should be served at the correct temperature. Lagers, say, between 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and ales 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Got my trusty thermometer to make sure that the beers are at the correct temperature. Also, all beers are tasted in the same glassware. That way nobody has a leg up when it comes to clarity or aromatics. All right, what do we got today? Today, from the Other Half Brewing Company, their Paper Florets, a double dry hopped India Pale Ale. And this is part of their Collaboration Week celebration. And it says this is a hazy IPA brewed with our pals out of Knoxville, Xul Brewing, using a select blend of hops, given notes of tropical fruits, lychee, mango, and some dankness. Okay, what do we got? We've got Citra Cryo, Strata, Nelson Sauvin, and Mosaic Simcoe. And it has a ABV of 7.0% by alcohol. And brewed with friends from the Xul Beer Company in Knoxville. All right, well, what am I expecting? I'm expecting your basic tropical fruit kind of mango celebration with a little dankness to it, so which means probably pretty much along the lines of a farmhouse beer. All right, well, let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. Yep. You got it. Oh boy, I can smell it from here. All right, well, it certainly looks like an IPA, that's for sure. Double dry hopped. Oh, I can smell them from here. All right, let's check out the old temperature. Now, the old beer fridge is a little bit chilly these days, so we'll see. It's 49 degrees, so it's just before it should warm up just a little bit, but that might mean simply that the aromas and the flavors might be a little muted, but we'll give them a benefit of the doubt. All right, well, it looks like a hazy India Pale Ale. Let's see if it tastes like one. Cheers. Yeah, I took 2 sips. The reason I did is because, again, as I say, it's around 2:30 in the afternoon. My taste buds are on siesta. They need to be woke. Well, they're woke now. Let's see what the olfactory friends have to say about that. Wow. Well, I am getting that tropical fruit aroma, no doubt about that. A lot of tropical fruit, mainly mango coming off of that. But let's see if the taste buds agree. There is a lot of mango in that. But boy, there's with that dankness that they talked about, that farmhouse ale style of bitterness, that finishes off nice and dry. Wow, that's a well-balanced beer. It makes you that dryness at the end makes you want to go back for more. That is for sure. All right, well, I ranked the beers, of course, 1 for just showing up, 3 for meeting expectations, and 5 for being an elixir of the gods. Well, This one I'm gonna give this a 4.5 for sure, because it certainly did meet it exceeded expectations. It's not quite an elixir of the gods, but it certainly is. It's a wonderful beer. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you'll miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.